now we will learn how to find unit digit if the expression is given. Okay, let's start with the example. Example is given multiplication of 3 figure, okay, 2341 multiply by 5319 and multiply by 3132. Now in this case we don't have to do the multiplication of all three. Okay, here the question is we want to find just a unit digit. Okay, so unit digit is the first digit. Now we want the unit digit of the answer of this multiplication. So what we have to do, just identify the unit digit and do the multiplication. 1 into 9 into 2, okay, that is equal to 1 into 9 18, 1 into 9 9, 9 into 2 18, so 18, but answer is just 8. So our unit digit is 8. Okay, now you can also do the same procedure for this addition. So you don't have to do addition of the whole figure, just do the addition of the unit digit. So 8 plus 1, that is 9 here, so our answer is 9. Now let's do some complex example. Now suppose I want to find the unit digit in this expression, okay, in the given expression. So for this purpose there is a one method is divide power, whatever the power is given, by 4 and find the remainder, and after finding the remainder calculate the unit digit to the power remainder. Okay, so let's do this with the example. Here power is given 17, so just do the division. So it is find the remainder is 1 here. Take the power of unit digit 3 to the 1, so remainder 1 and unit digit is 3, so 3 to the power 1 is 3. So unit digit of this equation is 3. It is very simple like that. Now what is the unit digit of this equation? So just do the division and take the remainder. So let's quickly do it. That is 1 4 12 and remainder is 2. So what we have to do, just take the unit digit. This is 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9. So unit digit of this equation is 9. Now somewhat complicated, how to get the unit digit of this equation. So same procedure we have to do. First divide this 153 by 4. So I am directly writing 153 divided by 4 will give us the remainder 1. Okay, so 7 to the power 1 multiplied by 1 to the power 72 is nothing but 1. So 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. So unit digit of this one is 7. Now same way do find the unit digit of this equation. So for that purpose 102 divided by 4, so unit digit of this 2 unit digit is 2 here. So just take that 4 to the power 2 plus, so we have just 103. If we do 103, then remainder is 3, so 4 to the power 3. Now what will be the unit digit of this? So this is very simple. 4 to the power 2 unit digit is 6 plus 4 to the power 3 unit digit is 4, so 6 plus 4, that is 10, and unit digit is 0. Okay, now let's create. So here one thing that is keep in mind, if the remainder is 0, then we have to take as a 4. Okay, so let's do the same trick for this expression. Okay, so for 32, so if we divide 32 by 4, it will give us remainder 0. So we have to take 0 is equal to 4. So 9 to the power 0 or 9 to the power 4 multiply by 7. 36 divided by 4 gives us remainder 0. So 36 mod 4 is equal to 0. So 0, that is nothing but 4. So now 9 to the power 4. Now if you find this one is hard, then what you can do? You can create 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 multiply by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. Now 9 into 9 is 81. So here unit digit is 1. 9 into 9 1. 1 into 1 1. For this 7 into 7 it is 49 into 49. Now 9 into 9 it is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. So if you do the simplification of this, then unit digit will be this one is equal to 1. So this is the shortcut method to find the unit digit of any expression.